Amor! Amor, vai doido! With the fireworks! Look at those! But by the way, that looks so cool! Look at those. Oh, look at those! Here's a fun fact. Fireworks are not healthy for the sky. You know, like, they cause pollution. And that's why. It's also because that fireworks are made of fire, like they have in their name. But by the way, these are the fireworks. Oh, look at those. Oh, they look like stars. Fireworks clapping sound is very good. Guys, can you see the fireworks? It's right there. Guys, do you like... Tell me in the comments if you like fireworks, guys. But by the way, they look so cool. You can see, these are why the fireworks are happening. It's because it's July 4th, Independence Day. But by the way, these are so cool. Also remember, guys, the last firework is always the best firework. Plus, also, we got a new grill. Do you know what we're grilling right now? We're right now grilling chicken. That firework is not how it was visible. But those are chicken on the grill. But by the way, the fireworks just look so cool. Like, also some fireworks happened on the July 3rd. But by the way, yeah, happy Independence Day. Wait, what was that sound? Oh. Okay. That's good. Oh, those fireworks look so good. By the way, today's big day. Put in the emojis we don't need on the screen. Thank you. But yeah, these are the fireworks. Oh, yeah. Also, I'm gonna beatbox my own song about the 4th of July. Oh yeah, it's the 1st. I mean the 4th of July. Independence Day. Happy Happy Independence Day in 2022. 2022. 2022. 2022. 2022. 2022. 2022. Oh, 2022. 2022. Oh, look at the fireworks. They're so cool. I know. They're so cool. But here's the thing. It's harmful for the planet to make, and fireworks make it pollution. But still, it's okay, guys. It's Independence Day. Independence Day. Look at the flowers. Independence Day. Independence Day. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. Independence Day. Right outside. Fireworks. Oh, look at the fireworks. Look at the fireworks. It's Independence Day. Independence Day. Independence Day. Day. Oh yeah. Fireworks became so popular. Independence Day. Okay. Beatbox. As you can see, Independence Day is gonna be over, and that's gonna be so sad. Even if slavery people, if they would not leave, oops, this would be not even a day. Not even a day. This is just a Pepsi can. Throw it. Fireworks are so great. Da-da. Ooh, ooh, yeah. Ooh, ooh, yeah. Fireworks, 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 fireworks. Independence Day is so fun. Independence Day is so fun. Independence Day is so fun. I know independence is a long word, but it's not like Anti-Disestablishmentarianism Day or Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious Day. It's just Independence Day. Oh, yeah. Fireworks. They're so cool. They're so cool. They're so cool. Oh, yeah. Independence Day is like so fun. Also, please remember to like, share this video with your friends, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you there, guys. Bye-bye. Plus, also, I'm going to show you some more fireworks.